In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to turn off ringer on your iPad. To do that, you can do it using a silent mode switch guys on your iPad. First of all, from the uh, control center, but you have to just scroll down from the top right corner and scroll down. You have to just tap on this option, this silent mode option. Just tap on this to turn off your ringer guys. And if you don't see this option, if this option is not visible over here, you have to tap on this add button at the top, tap on add control, and you can search for silent, and here you will find this silent mode. Tap on this to add this option in the center stage or the control center. So yeah, that's how guys you can add, or you can turn on the Samsung ringer. Subscribe for more video. Till then.